Daytime Foodi here. Daytime Foodi here. Hey y'all. Today I'm excited because we're gonna do this dessert style. Now, I'm no one's baker. I don't do a lot of things from scratch. However, this ice cream, you only need a couple ingredients and it's supposed to be amazing. Now, whoever I got this from, I believe I got it from a girl on TikTok, and I am going to tag her and put her in the comments, just so you all can give credit where it's due. Okay, I'm excited, and let me show you. For the base, you only need these three things: some vanilla extract, heavy whipping cream, and sweetened condensed milk. Okay, now all of this stuff over here, I'm gonna do a little razzle dazzle a little later, but let's start with the basics, and the basics only. The girl in the video, she used like a hand mixer, but I see that there's an ice cream button on my Ninja food processor blender thingy here, so we're gonna use that. All right, so let me show you how I'm gonna do this. All right, by doing 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 2 cups, there we go. Into the blender that goes, just like that. Now 2/3 cups of this sweetened condensed milk. Okay, get it all in there. Put it all in there. Get it all out, okay? Just like that. The last thing is just a tablespoon of that vanilla extract. Put it all in there. Can you all see? Okay. And now we need to make it turn into ice cream. Let's see. Okay, let's press the ice cream button. Do the same. Welcome back with this. The blender stopped, and this is the consistency, okay? See this? It's no harm in just giving it a little taste. Oh yeah, that's gonna be amazing. And let's pour it into our container. Regular glass container. I'm gonna go ahead and just pour this in there. Do you see the consistency, okay? Because it needs to be airtight. So that's just gonna be our regular vanilla. Now let's go back and make the fancy one. All right, so same measurements as before inside the Ninja, but now I'm gonna just add some pecans, however many I like, because, you know, like Tab says, that's my business. That looks good. And then I'm also going to add some caramel flavor. Okay, let's just open this up here. I didn't measure this part because it's all a matter of preference, but because it's sweet, I think that's enough. Okay, and then the final piece, let's put some cinnadust in there. It says it's good on ice cream. Let's see if they're telling the truth. Give it. That looks good. What y'all think? All right, and we're gonna close it back up and blend it. All right, so here is the one with the pecans, and here's the regular vanilla. To the one with pecans, I think I'm gonna add some more on the top. Just like this. So I'll have some larger pieces when I scoop into it. Let's add a little more caramel syrup. It doesn't have to be cute, you get it. And then a little bit more cinnamon dust. Okay, let me get a spoon to give it a nice little swirl. You know how it looks in the container in the store sometimes? I'm trying, but good enough, okay? Put the tops on. And we'll be back tomorrow. All right, so it's been freezing overnight. Here are the containers, the little fancy one that I came up with, and then just the vanilla. Let's take a look. Okay, looks a little ice creamish. Oh, look at that one. Okay, we're about to dig into it. 1 second. So this looks delicious, but of course I have to taste it. Let's eat.